It's Crypto Bro here with the Crypto Bro Show. Welcome back, my friends, to another hot video. Today is Monday, April 7th, and in today's short, quick video, we're going to be talking about BlackRock. All right, but before we dive in too deep, I do have to hit you nerds with this nice little legal disclaimer. All right, guys, remember this channel is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content. Should always consult a professional for legal advice. Once again, guys, this is not financial advice. So, guys, in today's video, we'll be discussing BlackRock, all right? If you guys don't know about BlackRock, they're a major company here in the United States. They're an American multinational investment company. They were founded in 1988, initially as an enterprise risk management and fixed income institutional asset manager. BlackRock is now the world's largest asset manager with over 11 trillion in assets under management as of 2024. So guys, why is this important? Well, guys, they got a lot of money and they're buying up a lot of Bitcoin. As you guys can see, this article came out about 2 days ago. BlackRock buys $66 million in Bitcoin amid the market crash. Now, why is this important for you guys to know? Well, guys, it's kind of like the great Warren Buffett says. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy is to buy when others are fearful and to sell when others are greedy, as you guys can see. So BlackRock, they're taking a page from Warren Buffett, man. They're buying because they know something. They know that this crash, guys, it's a temporary crash, right? These Trump tariffs, this trade war, it's gonna last for a while, right? I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's temporary, guys. It's temporary. Trump can only be president for a while, and maybe he changes the law or something. Maybe he runs for a third term and wins again. But even then, guys, he can only be president for so long. So, these Trump trade wars, these tariffs, all this BS, it's only going to last for so long, right? And that's what these companies know. They know it's only going to last for so long. And then they know at the end of the day, Bitcoin is going to skyrocket, guys. So what are they doing? They're buying it up right now, guys. They're buying it up for a good deal. So I recommend you guys do the same, man. If you guys aren't dollar cost averaging in, guys, I think you're gonna kick yourself in the butt a few years from now. Like right now, guys, we're in the year 2025. Imagine the year 2030. All right, I want you guys to have a long-term investment mindset with this. I don't want you guys to think that you're gonna put some money in and get rich quick overnight. I want you guys to think long-term, right? So let's go ahead and pull up TradingView. Let's go ahead and remove everything here. Let's go to the yearly chart. As you guys can see on the yearly chart, guys, it's nothing but green candles. You guys see this shit? This right here. If you're a trader, this is like some of the craziest charts you'll ever see. You guys see this? Like, look at this. Like, that's 26,000%, guys. Now, obviously, it's throughout the course of time. Let's just look at the last 2 years here. All right, over the last 2 years, Bitcoin did like 197%. Now, if we compare that to some of the world's largest companies like Apple and stuff, right? Apple currently is the world's largest company by market cap. Apple's only done like 50% in the past 2 years, guys, as you guys will see right here. If you put money in Apple for the past 2 years, you would have made 44% on your money. Which 44% is not that bad, but when you compare it to the great mother of BTC over here, as you guys can see, BTC USD Coinbase, you could have made 197%. So guys, these BlackRock guys, they know something that the majority of people don't know. These guys, they know pretty much everything about the world, guys. When you manage over 11 trillion in assets, you know what's going to happen. You know when it's going to happen. So at the end of the day, guys, like think about this, right? For this company to be so successful, right? For them to be managing over 11 trillion in assets, that comes, by you being good with money and by you being successful and by you making good decisions, right? So this company that's continued to be successful and make good decisions and do everything right, they're buying Bitcoin. They're buying Bitcoin right now as it's crashing because they realize the crash is a temporary crash, guys. And just like Warren Buffett said, all right, I'm kind of like a broken record here, but guys, you gotta buy when others are fearful and sell when others are greedy. So guys, if you could have timed this market right, some people did. A lot of people timed the market pretty well. They sold at about 110. And then they're like, all right, I'm selling for 110. I'm buying back in for 60, 70, riding the wave up and selling again. That's how the money is made, guys. You guys know what I'm saying? You guys got to buy low and sell high. Whereas the majority of you guys are complete newbies. You guys are literally buying high for 103,000 and then you're selling for 78,000 and you're taking a massive, massive hit because you don't understand that this investment game, it's about patience and discipline. Patience and discipline is going to win this for you guys. So guys, at the end of the day, if BlackRock is buying over $65 million of Bitcoin, do you think that they're bullish or bearish about Bitcoin? Long term, these guys know for a fact that Bitcoin is going to go up, guys, right? There's only so many Bitcoins out there in the world. There's only 21 million Bitcoins ever created, and there's over like 22 million Americans that are millionaires alone, just in America, guys, right? So guys, if every single millionaire in America wanted a Bitcoin, they wouldn't be able to purchase one. So guys, that's what you guys are going to find out in the future, man. This Bitcoin stuff, it's super, super rare. And by the time you guys figure out how rare it is and how valuable it's going to be worth in the future, you know, like you have people saying Bitcoin could hit $1 million a coin. So, you know, if you got something that could hit $1 million a coin and you could buy it for just 78,000, that's a pretty good deal, guys. So that's why these companies are doing this. That's why they're buying. And if you guys aren't buying yet, maybe you guys are new to this channel, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We make videos every so often. If you guys are wondering, hey, I'm in America, where can I buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and all these coins? Guys, the exchange that I use and the exchange that I recommend for you to use is going to be Coinbase. I'm going to put a link to Coinbase in the YouTube description below. It is going to be an affiliate link, but when you use that affiliate link, not only will it support the channel, but Coinbase is also going to give you 20 bucks of free Bitcoin on any qualifying purchase. So guys, do yourself a favor, you know, be more like BlackRock. You guys should be dollar cost averaging in. You guys should be buying when it's cheap. But I know a lot of you guys are going to be seeing this and you're not going to buy because you're going to be thinking about this. Well, if I buy for 78,000, what if it goes down? If it goes down, great, buy more. Next thing you know, 1 year it's going to hit 200,000, 300,000, 400,000. It's going to go up. The only question is when, right? When will this Trump shit end? When will the Trump tariffs end and all this shit? You guys know what I'm saying? When that shit ends, guys, you know what I'm saying? Maybe the next election comes and Kamala Harris wins the next one. Or maybe they bring in Barack Obama or they do something crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like these real politicians, they're going to reverse the trade wars and all that shit. The market will skyrocket again, guys. So at the end of the day, guys, dollar cost average in. Take the advice from Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy is to buy when others are fearful. Think about this, guys. Everybody and their cousin is scared shitless about Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP and everything right now. Right now is the time when you should be buying. This is the time when you should be dollar cost averaging in so that you can reap the rewards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years from now when the bull market goes crazy, crazy high. All right, guys? So, guys, Crypto Bro signing out. More videos coming soon.